Alright guys, let's get straight to it. I mean, this was a purchase that, I just made for the, just to have something new on the channel. Just trying out something new. That's all it basically is. Comes up nice packaged up. A lot of people are gonna be surprised at this purchase too. But people that know me know that I wanted this for the longest, so that's what it happened. Just slide that on over. We'll clean that up later. As you guys can see, box up to you guys so you can see the box. Measure it with the C9. This just let me know already that it's bigger than the Volcom. Let's open them up. It's a super big, sticker. Pouring out. Just gonna throw that on the floor, right there. We're not gonna take it out the plastic right now, but I'm gonna show you guys a little things of it real quick. It's the Taramps Smart 8. Let's take a closer look at it. Closer look at it. See on this side, that's what makes the difference. It's got the remote and speaker output on this side. So the speaker, and then like the gains, as y'all can see. Take the glasses off so you can see it. All right, did we get a good eye on it? Yep. So you got the gain. Yeah, me myself, I can't even see it that good. Oh, the high pass, the low pass, and the bass at the end. So we can see that. On the other side, all this is just your ground. I mean, it looks pretty good. Oh, it comes with some extra ones. It look like some extra screws or turn anything. I can't remember what you call them, but other than that, man, it's a nice amp. See at the bottom. I mean, we're not going to take it loose and see the guts. I mean, I wish I could do that, but it'll avoid my warranty. I got to make sure it works and everything, but all right. Taramps Smart 8. We'll be getting this installed very soon. All right.